Alrighty, so I've got my strip that you measured carefully when you do it. And I'm going to find the middle of my strip. And the reason why we're starting at the middle of the quilt and with the middle of our strip is this is fabric, it's woven. It can move and stretch a wee bit even when it's not on the bias. And so it's just a good habit to start from the middle so that everything is moving outwards. Okay, so here we go. So I'm grabbing my border. I've got my wool mat because I do enjoy using my wool mat. And I've got my little Aliso iron here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Acorn glue. This is a water-soluble glue. It is non-toxic. And it's not like crazy glue. You can easily pull it apart if you make a mistake and you glue it wrong. But I am doing a tiny little drop of glue about every 2 inches. I'm going to go along kind of as far as my ironing board will reach. And then I take putting my fabric right sides together, and I am going right there, and I'm lining this up. And it's actually, everything is lining up extremely nicely here because I squared my quilt and I did the stay stitch. This glue is heat activated, so then I'm just going to press gently. You know when your glue is dried, if you don't see this, I'm getting a little wet dot, that just means I need to dry it a bit more. You'll see that. This product does not hurt your iron. Over time, you can start to get a little bit of dirt on your iron from using it. I just use my Bohin iron cleaner to get it off. You need to clean your iron anyways, because if you're using interfacing different things, you know, as careful as you can be, you're going to get stuff on your iron. Okay, so then I will shift this along and I will keep and continue going.